Let's learn about adjusting a recipe with limited ingredients. A recipe requires 3/4 cup of sugar, but you only have 1/2 cup. What fraction of the recipe can you make? So we're trying to find the fraction of the recipe, and we're going to use the full 1/2 cup of sugar. So let's get a visual of how to set this up. Our 3/4 cup of sugar is multiplied by some percent. I'm going to write it as a percent, but our final answer will be a fraction here. Some percent here gets us to that 1/2 that we have of sugar. So if you want to get this percent, figure out what percent of that recipe we need, instead of multiplication, we're going to divide by a 3/4 to both sides of the equation. So what we're looking for, that percent, at the end we'll put it as a fraction here, is going to be 1/2 divided by 3/4. So 1/2 divided by 3/4. I like to write it like this because same thing as division is multiplication of the reciprocal. So I have 1/2 multiplied by a 4/3. And now we can multiply across the numerator. 1 times 4 is a 4. Across the denominator, 2 times 3 is a 6. And this simplifies to be a 2/3. And so what fraction of the recipe can we make? We can make 2/3 of the recipe. I hope you learned something here about adjusting a recipe with limited ingredients. And as always, thanks for watching.